Hey friends, if you wish to know what the Win plus X menu is and how to open it on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, right click on the start button and this menu is the Win plus X menu. Because we don't call it context menu, so there was no better word, that's why it's called Win plus X menu. Or simply press the Windows key and the X key together and it will open this menu. Okay, so here's the thing. The first option is to go to the desktop directly, and this is the easiest method to go to the desktop when you have a lot of applications open. The second one is the option for shutdown and sign out, which has options like restart, shutdown, sleep, and sign out. The third one is to open the run window, to which we can run a lot of commands. The next one is to access the search bar. Okay, the next option is to open the file explorer. The next option is to open settings. You can see how useful this option is, the Win plus X menu is. The next option is to open the task manager. The next option is to open other consoles like the power options window, event viewer, system, device manager, and except for the service manager, you can access all major system apps through this one. And it is very obvious that the Win plus X menu is super duper useful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.